director?
Who? Aryan. Aryan is. I cannot say that he's like the best director in the world or anything like that. He's got a long way to go. There's no doubt about that. But yes, he is a ferociously. He's like his father. Extremely hardworking. Okay, very focused. Does not get tired. I don't know where they get their energy from. It is very painful. They really have immense amount of energy and mad love for what they do. And that's what gets him where he is. Aryan is a guy that you need to trust him. Trust him as a director. And me as an actor, I also try and find out, okay, I understand. I meet a director. I spend time with him before doing a film. I will chat with him. So I understand his mind. And then I know what he wants. I know what he's looking for. What kind of a director he'll make and blah, blah, blah. Okay. Aryan ke saath, I didn't have that time. Okay. He wanted me to do something. Barely a day or 2 days job. I said, I'm done. I'm doing it. Whatever you want me to do, I'll do it. So I said, मुझे कहानी सुनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मुझे कुछ सुनने की ज़रूरत नहीं. मुझे खाली बता दो मुझे करना क्या है. इसे सर एक गैंगस्टर का रोल है who bails out the hero every time. I said, done. I'll do it. No questions asked. Went for the shoot. I asked him a very simple question. I said, ये जो बोट आ रही है जिसमें 4 मुश्कंडे ब्लैक्स हैं और ये कहाँ से आ रही है? तो इसे सर सोमालिया से आ रही होगी सर. तो जैसे मैंने सुना ये छोटी सी बोट 4 कालों के साथ सोमालिया से आ रही है, मैं समझ गया डायरेक्टर कैसा है. मैंने कहा डन. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज दैट when you look at it as an actor, वो बोट कहाँ से आ रही है absolutely irrelevant. Which you see when you see the series.
I've seen.
Absolutely irrelevant कहाँ से आ रही है. किसी ने पूछा भी नहीं होगा बोट कहाँ से आ रही है.
Yeah.
Correct. So I got it. I said okay, done. I said now you tell me what you do. Now that these are the directors that when you know the story thoroughly, then you're both on the same page. If you're not, quietly listen to him because he knows what he's doing. Even for King, most of my work is with Sohana. And such a sweet kid, yeah. Such a sweet kid. She's working so hard. She's really working so hard. My God. And it's amazing. My son is also working in that. So it's a whole thing, nepo thing that is happening. So you have Siddharth, who I did Salam Namaste with. And in Salam Namaste, Zeke, my son, was the small baby who was walking. एक shot था सलाम नाम से जिसके अंदर एक छोटा सा बच्चा 2.5-3 महीने का वॉक कर रहा है, क्रॉल कर रहा है. वो Zeke है. And now he's working with Siddharth as an AD.
Nice.
It's so nice. And then you have, so Shahrukh saw him walking and he looked at him and said, come here. He said, you're Arshad's son? I said, yeah. We gave him a hug.